and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
What is going on, guys? It is Glenn here. I'm super excited to announce on the 8th of February, we're going live with Stealth AI. This one goes live on the Warrior Plus Marketplace. And as always, it'll be an honor to have all of you guys that are watching this video to support this brand new launch. Now, this is a cloud-based software training and system that is going to help your guys get traffic, leads, and sales direct from TikTok with done-for-you videos. We're providing everything that your tribe needs to make an absolute fortune with TikTok, never having to show their face, get on camera, record any videos or anything else like that. So we think it's going to go down an absolute storm. You're going to love it, your subscribers are going to love it, and we hope that you will jump on board to promote this one. As always, we're going to have a great contest, a great funnel. If you look on the JV page, you're going to find out all the information about that, more information about the offer. If you want to add some information from the page to your bonus pages or your review pages or your emails, whatever you find is necessary to promote this offer will be on the JV page. Click the button around this video to navigate over there. And as always, reciprocation. If you can support me, I will 100% have your back in the future. If you know me by now, I can get a lot of units to your offer, especially if it's an offer which is similar to mine or in the same kind of niche. I will do my best. I'll look at it. If it's a fit, I will 100% have your back. So hopefully you'll be on our leaderboard on Thursday, the 8th of February. With that said, as always, I want to say thanks a lot to everyone who does support my launch. It does mean a lot to me. And hopefully, if you haven't supported us yet, we will lock arms in 2024 and we will become reciprocational buddies. So thanks a lot, guys. This is Stealth AI. It goes live on Thursday, 10 a.m. EST, Warrior Plus. Hopefully, you'll be on our leaderboard and I'll speak to you then. Thanks a lot, guys.